I'm Subramanian Arunachalam. I lead North America Vehicle Electronics for construction equipment at CNH. As we drive through digital transformation, AI is a key enabler.
AI on the machine or AI in the cloud?
AI on the mission. The reason being, we cannot wait for connectivity.
Biggest AI myth in construction?
Adoption and trust. Trust comes through consistency and predictive performance.
AI makes construction operation more productive or more dependent?
More productive when AI is designed to augment and support human decision making.
One thing AI still can't figure out about a construction site.
Unpredictability. All our job sites has numerous variables and it's hard to capture fully.
The AI tool you use every day and can't live without.
AI tool that can take out some low value task and let engineers focus on engineering outcomes.
AI in your car or AI in your excavator? Which one do you trust more?
Definitely on missions because it operates in a controlled environment and defined task.
One human skill AI will never replace.
Judgment.
If you could train an AI on one thing you know, what would it be?
System level thinking to understand overall system.
Last thing you Googled that had nothing to do with AI?
A balance between outside of work